Here's the meal, y'all. Green beans and some noodles, salad, mashed potatoes, and that's mushroom gravy, mushroom steak, brown steak. And leave the water in there. Now, if you want to thicken it, you just add some cornstarch to that and heat it in the microwave for, well, about a minute. In a Pyrex glass, of course. Okay. This belongs to someone, not my food. Bye. I got this round steak here. I'm going to put it in the air fryer. I got it seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And we're going to put it in my air fryer. And for just a little while. We just want to brown both sides. The air fryers usually brown both sides at the same time. I'm going to put it in there for about 12 minutes. And then I'll have 2 more pieces put in there. But that's what I'm going to do. And I'll have to show you how to finish that up. Make it tender. Okay, I put it on 400. I'm going to set it for about a little past 10 minutes. Let that go. Then we'll take it out. We'll finish it up in the Instapot. After 10 minutes, put some butter on this and check it. It looks pretty brown. You don't want to take the, okay, it looks brown enough to me. So then I'm going to put the other one in here. That one in here. Gotta fry these. About 12 minutes. Well, 10 minutes actually. This round steak was already tenderized. It feels pretty tender. So we're gonna leave it in the pot. Okay, you put a cup of water in here, and then put a trivia. You don't want your meat down in that water. This is high enough that it's not in there. Then you're going to put your meat in there. You're going to layer your meat. I've still got 2 more pieces to put in here. And I'll put some cream of mushroom in there. I'm going to put like half here and half on top. Okay. And then I'm going to put a garlic on it. Just a small clove, y'all. You don't want to overpower it. I'm going to smash it. And that's all I want to do is smash it. And then you can just lay it in there. One's enough. Just a small piece. Okay, and then we're waiting on the rest of the meat. We're going to put it on top and then put the rest of the mushroom on there. And this will go on the Instapot. And it will be 25 minutes. And it will be real tender when it comes out. And just make sure, the mushroom, make sure, you don't want to break that up too much because you want to take that out. And then mix that into your water also, because, the water is so it can steam your meat to be tender. You won't need a knife. It'll be so tender. And, anyway. Make sure you put all drippings in there. Let me get the other one. Okay, when it's been in there at least 5 minutes, then you want to, I put butter on mine. Okay, put it back in there another 5. I got the other steak in there and the rest of the mushroom, and I'm going to put a little pepper on it. No salt, y'all. Salt later. Okay, now it's going to go in the Instapot for 25 minutes because this one was already, they already tenderized it. But if it's not tenderized, do it 30 minutes on meat in your Instapot.